Just quickly jumping on and showing to you my new glass mug that I picked up from the Amazon team. Really like this. I picked this one up because one, I really like iced coffees and I have a lot of protein shakes, things like that. I thought it'd be really nice to have something to drink out of, something that's a little bit pretty. So I went for the prettiest thing that I could see on Amazon. I think it's adorable. Got a nice big handle, nice big space. I've got big hands for a lady and this is really comfortable for me. You've got that nice sort of shaped bottom, the clearness there. So if you have got maybe a build up of things like protein powder, you'll be able to see it. But then you've got this really pretty flower pattern, which I love. You do get a glass straw, obviously be careful with that. But you also get a cleaner as well to clean it out, because obviously hygiene is important. You get the lid as well. It's a straight pull off, not a screw on. And then you've got that nice soft rim there. So if you don't want to use the lid, which I don't know if I will, this is more for traveling where I tend to drink these things at home. I'll probably just use it as a sippy with a straw maybe. But this is really nice, got a really nice weight to it, but not too heavy. You've got the rim there, which you can take off for cleaning. You've got the straw hole there, which you can keep closed if you're not using it, or if you want to use it as a sippy, you can use a sippy that way as well. I personally cannot wait to get my iced coffees and things going on here. It's going to be absolutely lovely. It's just a really nice way to feel a little bit more decadent with your drinks at home. So yeah, I think it's really adorable and I recommend it.